Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to do my second play-along video. It's the song called You're Good by Bethel Music. And you better grab your ukulele and play along with me. Okay? Before tayo mag-start, let me introduce to you my new ukulele. It's Cordoba UP 100. I bought it in Bangkok. The original price is 4,000, but since I bought it second-hand, the guy was selling it for about 1,500. So, it's a steal to me kasi ang ganda ng tunog, suabe, smooth, at maganda rin yung touch. By the way, before we start the play-along, you make sure your ukulele is tuned properly. And let me post the chords that you need for this song. Yan. Nakikita nyo sa screen, we have G. Meron tayong C. We have E minor. And D. Before we forget, meron din palang A minor sa bridge part. So that's all. Let's start with intro. Oh hey, munti ko na nakalimutan. Please subscribe this channel. In this channel, I do ukulele tutorials, mga Christian songs. I also have a vlog channel which I post in the description below. Okay? Do not forget to ring the bell. You'll see my updates. Okay, let's start this. Zoom in. We may begin now. All throughout the song, we're using this strumming pattern. Down, down, up, up, down, up. Down, down, up, up, down, up. Alright, let's practice. Now with chords. Now what you need to remember about this strumming pattern is the accent. The accent falls on the first beat, which is yung number 1. For example, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay? So, with that, magigets natin yung kung paano mag-shift ng chords. Now, if you find it hard to shift yung chords, from chords to chords, you may go slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if you feel bored about this exercise, you may now jump to this time ng video. Jump na kayo sa time na to because it's already the play along part. But if you wish to practice more dito sa drill ng strumming pattern, let's try some more. This time we will use G, C, E minor, and D. Okay, and 4 beats only. After 4 beats, we shift chords. Let's practice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Play with me. Don't just watch. It's better if you will play with me. So now let's jump to the play along video. sun, the rain, my life celebrates. You are good, you are good. Once again, with a cry of praise, my heart will proclaim. You are good, you are good. In the sun, the rain, my life celebrates. You are good, you are good. Last, with the cry of praise, my heart will proclaim. You are good, you are good. In the sun, the rain, my life celebrates. You are good, you are good. And I sing because you are good, and I dance because you are good, and I shout because you are good. You are good to me, to me. And I sing because you are good, and I dance because you are good, and I shout because you are good. You are good to me, to me. Thank you guys. Please consider subscribing to see more videos like this. Salamat po.